So this is a roofing blade. It's got a hook. Because whatever has happened to this woman's dress is like it's gotten caught on a nail backstage at the cotton club or something. And so that is the type of shredding that we want to do to it in maybe 3 or 4 places. So that gives us these little ripped bits.
Cool.
This is an awl. Also mimicking nail damage.
Is the water hot, Rachel?
It's not.
Okay.
It's just room temperature. Oh, it's still kind of warm from where it was turned on yesterday.